Here's a kit that got sent to me by HOTO. This is a Precision Screwdriver Pro kit. This would be essential for laptops, tablets, cell phones, anything with smaller screws and that nature. This thing has a built-in LED. The electric screwdriver also charges right within the case, so you keep it in the case to charge it. It comes with an assortment of bits, pry bars, and tweezers, along with a magnetizer and demagnetizer. So let's take a look. So this is the package it comes in, and we do have some detailed information right here on the back about what's in the unit and the battery information. Okay, as we open this up, we get our user's manual. We get what appears to be a USB cable. This looks like an anti-static wristband. This will go on your wrist in case you're working on sensitive electronics. And in here, this is a magnetic plate to place any of your screws or bits on. Here's just a sheet to let you know what kind of bits it has in it. And there's all the bits in here. On the side of the unit, there is your USB charging port. Here is your main item, which is the electric screwdriver. You do have to push it forward and pull out from the back to release it. Just a note that this has to be in the case to charge it. And we have our forward and reverse. We have our torque selection. You have 1 and 2. You do have an LED light on the front of it. Nice for accessing darker lit areas. And also in the case, we get a suction cup. So we can pull that out. You also get a metal prying tool here. And we get quite a few plastic ones with different prying techniques of their own. We get tweezers. We get this spudger here, if I can get it out. So we get that piece. And you get these shorter pry bars, which I'll just leave in there. We also get a few of these guys in here. They're just picks for getting in between like laptop cases, cell phone cases. And we get some long bits, which are nice, and a bunch of short bits. And here's your magnetizer and demagnetizer. By the way, these are all magnetized, so they fall in there very nicely. And let's take one of these long bits out of here. And this just goes in just like that. This is also magnetized in there. So here's an old laptop that I have, and we can just demonstrate on this. You're putting it in here. Simple and fast. And we can see that this is not magnetized. So if we go over here, and we put it in there, we come out, and now it's magnetized. And going back in is just as easy. Just like that. Now that was on number 1 torque. Number 2 torque just has a little bit more torque in it. Not much, but a little bit. There we go. It's a nice little unit. So this is the magnetizer mat. And in order for this to work, you should have this on this side. And it's kind of nice. It gives you a little area to put stuff in or measure something. And it's also not only for your screws, but for your bits. So these don't roll around on you. And you can see how it sticks to it just like that. Now, in order for me to charge this in this area with this cord length, I'm gonna plug it into my portable charger here. And we're gonna simply plug it right into the USB spot right there. You can see a red light come on, and that means we are charging. And now it's flashing. Now this kit is very portable, so this is ideal for taking the kit to the work instead of bringing the work to you. Also, you'll find on the back right here is more information on the actual screwdriver. So if you found this as interesting and useful as I did, I will put the link down below and you can go ahead and check it out. Maybe purchase one for yourself or for somebody else. The holidays are coming up, just saying. So anyway, I'm going to wrap this thing up. So until next time, take care.